Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are a lot of fine and good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continuing today, we are going to discuss about how to make YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts are short vertical video creating using a smartphone and upload directly to YouTube from the YouTube app like Stories. Using YouTube built-in creation tools, you can capture, edit, and music from major labels. Add animated text, control the speed of your footage, and edit together multiple 15-second video clips to create your shorts. Why try YouTube Shorts? Initially launched in India on September 14, 2020 and rolled out across the US on March 18, 2021, YouTube Shorts quickly surpassed 6.5 billion daily views globally. YouTube attempts at short-form video content isn't a far cry from other ephemeral videos on social media, including TikTok, Instagram Stories, Snapchat Spotlight, and even Twitter Feeds and LinkedIn Stories. When you are setting up YouTube Shorts, you can create an entirely separate channel for YouTube Shorts or place the short widget in your main channel. Viewers can find your shorts by tapping shorts at the bottom of the YouTube app. How long are the YouTube shorts? YouTube shorts are vertical videos that are 60 seconds or less in length. Shorts can be a 60-second continuous video or several 15-second video combined. Now I am going to discuss the steps that how to make YouTube short. Step 1. Download the YouTube app. You can only make shorts natively in the YouTube app. This is a smart play from YouTube to keep everything in one handy place. To gain access on the YouTube app, do the following. Log into your YouTube app store of choice and search for YouTube. Download the official YouTube app, login using your Google login or separate YouTube login. Step 2. Start creating YouTube short. Tap plus icon on the bottom of the app homepage, then tap create a short. Number 2. To record a 15-second video clip, hold the red record button or tap it to start recording and then again to stop. If you want to record a full 60-second video, tap the number 15 above the record button to change the video length to 16 seconds. To add special effects and element to your video, tap the rotating arrow to switch the camera view. Tap the clock icon to set a countdown timer for creating hands-free videos. Add retouching to your video by tapping the magic wand. Tap the ghost icon to help align your transition between the video clips. Step 3. Edit and publish your short. Once you have finished recording, tap the check mark to save your short. Next, finalize your short by adding the music track. Once you have finished editing, tap next in the tab right hand corner. Tap upload short to publish your video. Now the question is how to monetize your YouTube shorts. As a business owner or creator, you might be thinking, how I can monetize your YouTube short? Let's start with the news. Because YouTube shorts are shorter than standard YouTube video content, you cannot run an ad on them, which makes YouTube short tricky to monetize. YouTube shorts best practices. Go straight to it. Make the first few seconds for your video exciting and grab the audience attention right off the bat. Keep it snappy. Think about replies, add values. What is your hook? What will make a viewer come back to for more? Think about how you can hook in your audience to view your shorts repeatedly. Get the vibe right. YouTube Short is not the place of shortened version of your long videos, much like Instagram and TikTok. Short is the place to give your audience short, snappy, and easily digestible content. For example, viral trends are behind screen hooks. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.